Good evening, children. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Children,
Yes, sir,
actually,
good evening.
yeah, in my area, actually, I don't have power connection. It's raining here, so I have been trying. So I got frustrated a lot with that. So now, unfortunately, I was trying to get connected with the mobile data. Mobile data also, I'm like, I don't have proper signals. So yes, that is the reason. So just a minute, everyone, turn on your cameras, everyone. So guys, whatever the delay happened, so we'll definitely we'll take extra 15 minutes something like that, but not today. The thing is like tomorrow. I mean not tomorrow. Sunday. This Sunday you are going to start with your triangles. I mean you're going to have a test on triangles. All right. So triangles basic questions as well as you'll be having one more chapter called. What chapter you want me to conduct?
It's the lines and angles.
Lines and angles. How many times you want, right, ma?
So linear equations in two variables.
How many times we wrote, right? Lines and angles. Linear equation in
So
two.
within all the other chapters were written twice.
Yeah, linear equation in two variables. We didn't get many questions from that. So yes, we'll have it. And I didn't see many of you didn't post for doubts. How many
Sir,
of how
I
many?
posted.
Yes.
So I had doubts from the triangle chapter.
Yeah, 1 second. So yes. So class Toshnika has posted it out. Sir, may I know when the class will start?
No, sir, that's not a doubt. That's
Yes.
like my doubt was something different from the chapter, like not a problem. So I'll be asking once you start clarifying people's doubts.
Yes. See, whatever you have, please post it to me in WhatsApp because here no Wi-Fi, no mobile data, so it's difficult. Rainy season, it will be troubling a lot like this only. Yes, tell me, what is your doubts? Let's go with our doubt session now.
Sir, I posted in the WhatsApp.
Sir,
Yes, beta, tell me.
so I have a doubt in the question paper of the last test.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Tell me what is your doubt.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Question 11 I have doubt. Let me just read it.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yes, sir. The value of 5.63 into 5.63 plus.
One second. The value of 1 second will write here. Yeah. So tell me.
So did you share your screen?
Tell me.
So did you share your screen?
5.63 square.
Just a minute. 5.3.
So 5.63.
5.63 whole square.
Yes, sir. Plus 11.26
Okay.
into 2.37
Into 2.37.
plus
Huh?
2.37 square. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. This is the wrong one. Sorry.
Tell me, what's your question? Make it fast.
No, sir. I got it, sir.
Huh?
No, sir. I understood. Like, I had a doubt. I just got an idea. Sorry.
Yes, tell me. Tell me. Yes. What next? Yes, Kavya, tell me your doubt.
So, so do you want me to read it?
Yeah, where is that?
So doubt Kavi Singh, the second one.
Yes, okay. Okay. What is this?
The value of x.
Okay. Are yaar, what kind of you just pose the question, very big question, like can't you minimize that? Yes, so we have to find out what kind of it is a polygon, isn't it? It's a polygon. By using this, look at this, we have here 90 degrees. So basically, look at this here. What can you please send me the full question? A full question in the sense of what
So
I'm
give me a second.
yeah. What exactly is asking us about value of x means like what is it theoretically what he's asking first.
So once again, so I'll get it.
Yeah. Yeah, next question. What are the options given?
So it was not a option one.
Okay.
It was not option.
Okay. Is this a
I'm
which
unable
is
to
this a chapter
find it.
question like is a or like simply your got some other like general knowledge question. You ask the questions from your chapter, whatever the chapter. First, let us clarify that. So this is a polygon question. I mean like quadrilaterals. Isn't it? This is a question from quadrilaterals. Isn't it? You understand? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Any doubts? Any doubts here? Tell me next. Many of you didn't post your doubts, guys. Make it fast.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Make it fast. Hello.
Sir, I posted. Can you please find it?
Actually, my internet is unstable. Actually, so I want to see your question. There is a question. So let me refresh it once again. Yes, Yes, tell me. So no one has posted the doubt actually. Oh my goodness, about 24 years. I told that you post your doubt, guys. Make it fast. I think you don't have any doubts, right? Many of you. What about other children? Guys, do you have any doubts? I'm asking. Do you guys have any doubts? Many of you didn't post your doubt, which means what? Does it mean you guys don't have any doubts? Or like, shall we go for a quiz now if you don't have any doubts? Hello?
I posted my doubts. I just on my father's phone.
Yeah, 1 second, guys. Like, it is disturbing a lot. This, network connection is like big issue nowadays. Yes, tell me. This one? Okay, doubt.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, it is loading. Can you see that? Hello?
Sir, I'm in the waiting room. Can you please let me in?
You're not sharing your screen.
Yeah, not
I'm sharing the screen, but it is
Excuse me, sir. I'm in the
load.
waiting room.
Yes, it's loading. Tell me.
Hello.
Yes.
So actually, I'm in the waiting room. Can you please let me?
Yes, you are in waiting room. You are not in waiting room, man. I admitted. Yes, tell me. Yes, Tostika has given the doubt. She has posted a doubt. 1 second, guys. Yes. I think same procedure, whichever. Oh, one
So this
second.
is not my doubt.
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
So in the figure, where is the figure here? Where is the figure?
But I've given like I've posted 2 times.
You
Yes,
posted two
and
times.
if you can go back, sir.
Mm-hmm.
You can go back to the previous WhatsApp tab. I'll just show you. I even posted a figure.
1 second. Chalo, where is that? Where is that? Tell me. This one.
If you can go back, sir.
Guys, I have very poor connection, very poor connection. So can you able to see?
No, sir. You
Oh,
didn't.
sir.
Okay, look at this. Let me share the screen. Can you see the screen here?
No, sir. You didn't start sharing yet.
I started sharing it.
Yes, sir, if you can just go back and refresh, you're going to find my diagram too.
Sir, Kaki?
Sir, you're on mute.
Look at this. POQ is a line here. POQ is a line. All right. POQ is a line, and OR is a perpendicular to the PQ line. All right. And OS is another line here. OS. Let us say the OS is another line. All right. So lying between OP and OR. Lying between OP. This is OP here. This is OP and OR. Lying between OP and OS is lying between OP and OR. All right. So then what we have to prove here? Angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So this is what I have to prove actually. All right. So now look at this beta. So what can I prove here? Angle ROS. Now I know that angle ROS. Angle ROS. This one is going to give me 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Isn't it? Or else you write like, what is QOS here? QOS.
Are you writing anything?
What is QOS? QOS. What is this QOS? What is QOS? Can you? I request you all, please. Can you please turn off your cameras for a while? Can you please turn off your cameras for a while? Hello?
So I
Your
think,
voice is breaking.
so I think if you turn on your webcams, I mean cams, then I think your internet would get affected and you would get disconnected.
No. Don't turn on your cameras for a while. Let us see that. I have very poor network connection today. See here, how can I write this? Angle ROS. The angle ROS, please, this one, angle ROS. This one plus this 90 degrees. This angle plus this angle gives me what? This fully. Look at this. This angle plus this angle gives me what? Angle QOS. He is talking about QOS and POS, right? And ROS. So I'm writing that. So now QOS gives me what? QOS gives me. So angle QOS can be written as what now? Sorry, 90 degrees. All right. So 90 degrees can be written as 90 degrees is equal now QOS minus ROS. How many of you okay with this point? See here, this fully QOS plus POS, this fully, this full angle gives me what? This full angle gives me 180 degrees. So we from the figure it is clear that angle QOS plus angle POS is equal to 180 degrees, linear pair. So I know here, I know QOS, isn't it? So 2 times of 90, right? So look at this here. This can be written as what? 180 can be written as 2 into 90. 2 into 90, yes or no? 2 into 90 degrees. So 90 degrees value I know here. So angle QOS plus angle POS is equal to 2 into 90 is what angle? Angle QOS minus ROS. Is it clear? So angle QOS plus angle POS is equal to 2 times of QOS plus minus minus 2 times of ROS. So 2 times of angle QOS minus 1 time of QOS is equal to POS plus 2 times of ROS. POS plus, so here 1 time of QOS, 1 time of QOS is equal to, you understand children? Need out here?
No doubt, sir.
QOS plus QOS
No
plus
doubt.
POS gives me what? 2 times of QOS minus 2 times of ROS. So 2 times of ROS, 2 times of ROS can be written as, look at this here, very bad network. It is frustrating a lot. 2 times of ROS can be written as what? 2 times of QOS minus 1 time of QOS minus POS. I'm just shifting this one to the right left hand side. So 2 times of ROS is equal to, so 1 time of QOS minus POS. So ROS is equal to 1 by 2 times of QOS minus POS. This is my answer. Any doubt here? Tell me. Hence proved.
No, sir.
Hence proved. Very simple. Look at this here. What I have done. This is a diagram given. This is a diagram given, isn't it? We can draw the diagram simply from the given data. From the data we can draw this diagram. So PO gives line, OR is a line, perpendicular line, and OS is the line between OP and OR. So now this is a linear pair. From this linear pair I can write this. Avlada. Done. Next question. Shall we go for the next question? Shall we go for the next
Sir, I
question?
posted my doubt in WhatsApp. Sir.
Okay. One second.
Could you please solve the question?
One. Tell me.
Sir, I posted my doubt in the WhatsApp. Could you
One
please
second, one
discuss
second.
it? Sir, it's a linear equation in 2 variables.
Another small doubt. Who's this? Which doubt you was?
Sir,
Sir,
yes, a linear equation in 2
One second,
variables.
one by one. One member. Guys, I have very poor network connection. If you talk at a time, I won't be understanding anything. So one by one should talk, please.
so you asked whose that doubt was. Another small doubt is mine.
తీసేయండి.
Please, 1 second.
The,
Don't talk.
the linear equation.
Yes. So if P of x comma y and P dash of y comma x are same points, then which of the following is true? Are same points, then which are the, yes. P dash, what do you mean by P dash? It means like negative. See, P means P of x comma y means it is in positive axis. P dash means let us consider y dash. I mean negative axis are the same points. Then which of the following is true? How can we? What do you mean by P dash over there? How can we approach? Simple. Tell me.
Sir,
See what I'm asking is.
if we take any value,
Hmm?
so like if we keep value of x as suppose 2 and y as 1, then we are not getting it, right?
No. What I'm saying is, let me explain you. P of yes, because the question is, P of x comma y given and P dash of x comma y given, isn't it? Huh. Oh my gosh, internet is unstable. Are same points, then which of the following is
One
true?
is
X plus y is equal to 0, x y is equal to x minus y, x by y 0. Very good. Good question actually. Look at this. The option A is x plus y is equal to 0. One option is x minus y is equal to 0. One second. One option is xy is equal to 0. One option is x by y is equal to 0. So all type of operation he is using to find it out here. Very simple. So first, so can I do both options? Look at this here. Both options are correct, right? Both options are same points. So can I do? See here, if I just manipulate over here, what I'm going to get, Piyush, x is equal to minus y. If I manipulate here, y, x is equal to y. So if I manipulate here, what I'm going to get here, x is equal to 0 or y is equal to 0. Isn't it? So here x is equal to 0 I'm getting. Isn't it? So now both are same he's saying. Both are same he's saying. Isn't it? Oh, here x is 1 second. Here if x is equal to 0 by y. So x is equal to 0 we are getting. So now option B is going to be correct. Why? Because both are same points he's saying. Both are same points he's saying. Isn't it? You understand? Can you hear me here? 1 second. Can you hear me?
So your voice is breaking.
yes, and now it's clear.
Now what I'm saying is both points
So
are
I'm
same.
saying that
See what he has given, same point.
if both are one is negative, one is positive, then it's possible, sir.
That is what I'm telling. That is what I wrote here. Look at this here. That is what I told beta. Disturbing a lot. Am I extremely sorry? We can't do anything. It is not in our control. We can't do anything. Look at this here. X plus y is equal to 0, right? It is not going to be possible. Why what he said? What he said? X comma y and y comma x both are same, he said. So both are same is x is equal to y. What is that is the only possible way. So B option is correct. Any doubt? Hello? Hello?
Sir, could you please explain again, because your voice was breaking that time.
So what I'm saying, beta, look at this here. What he said. So both points are same, he said, isn't it? Look at the question here. He
Yes,
said
sir.
both
P and minus P.
both are same points, right? Then which of the following is true? Both are same points means, so whichever the equation is getting satisfied, that is going to be correct. Look at this. It is x is equal to minus y. See, if it is x is equal to minus y, both are not same here. So here x is equal to y. If x is equal to y, y is equal to x. Both are same. No, this is the only possibility. All right. So here it is not possible. Of course, here x is equal to 0 will be there. So none of the options are getting satisfied. So except B. B is going to be correct here. X minus y is equal to 0. Whichever option C is correct here. As per your doubt, option C is correct. Piyush, correct? Piyush. Hello?
There's no there's no answer, so I just wanted to know.
Yes, option B is correct. I'm saying that option B is correct. Why? Because he has said the same points. So same, whenever it is same, when it is possible to say that whenever it is possible to say that it has same points, whenever it x is equal to y, then only I can just say that these are having same points. Then I can apply these points in this equation. I can apply the given coordinates in that particular given equation. Then only the equation is going to satisfy, and the coordinates whichever we are applied, that is going to be correct. That is going to be applied whenever he's saying both points are same. Both points are saying, he's saying that both points are same. Since he is saying both points are same, so option B is going to be correct. Why? Because option B only giving me is option B alone giving me x is equal to y. Because if x is equal to y, then y is equal to x. Only B option is getting satisfied as per my conditions. Clear, beta? Any doubts?
No, sir. Thank you.
So only B option is getting satisfied. Why? Because same is saying that both points are same means. So if I apply anyway, see here, this is my x coordinate, this is my y coordinate. This is also my x coordinate, this is also my y coordinate. So anyhow, whatever the possibility you take, if substitute x, that will be equal to y. If you substitute y, that will be equal to x. So option B alone getting correct here. All right. Since he's saying that both points are same, that is the answer. Clear? Next doubt. Yes, it is reconnecting again and again, reconnecting again and again. Tell me, what is the next question? Someone has posted a question here.
They're posted in.
Yes, very good.
sir.
So look at
Put in
it.
the WhatsApp.
Okay, what is that question? 2 to the power of 5x.
See, voice is breaking.
I can't hear you.
2 to the power of 5x divided by
Yes, so that one, yeah, mine.
2 power of x and fifth root of 32. Very simple, beta. He's asking for x value. Look at this here. So 2 to the power of 5x divided by 2 to the power of x is equal. This can be written as what? 32 to the power of 1 by 5. Is it clear? So here 2 to the power of 5x,
Yes, sir.
2 to the power of 5x into 2 to the power of minus x is equal to 2 to the power of 5. 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 5x minus x. Children, I'm sorry, actually it's getting disconnected again and again. Look at this here, 2 to the power of 1. So 2 to the 5x is equal minus x is equal to 1. 4x is equal to
Sir,
1.
can you please explain once? Because
Yes, definitely. Why not? Look at this here. What I'm saying here is,
sir, your voice is breaking again.
look at this here, 2 to the power of 5x, 2 to the power of 5x divided by 2 to the power of x. Ma. If I shift this 2 to the power of x to a numerator, it will become 2 to the power of minus x. Is it clear? Yes or no? Hello?
Yeah.
Ha.
I can't hear you, sir.
Sir, we can't hear you.
See here what I'm saying here, 2 to the power of 5x. If I shift this 2 to the power of x, 2 to the power of x to the numerator, what I'm going to get? 2 to the power of minus x. Isn't it? Is it clear? So, and 2 to the 32 can be
Yes,
written as
sir.
2 to the power of 5. So I wrote 2 to the power of 5 here, and this 5 will get cancelled. So after that, what I remain with is here bases are same. I just added the power. So 5x minus 1x divided is equal to 2 to the power of 1. So now again bases are same here. I can equate the powers. If I equate the powers, x is equal to 1 by 4 is the answer. This is the final answer. Clear?
Okay, sir. Sir, I've posted one more doubt of the same kind.
So can you please clarify my doubt?
There is only one doubt for each child. Yes.
Yes, sir. So,
Yes, Kavya, tell me what's your doubt?
it's in the WhatsApp only.
Can you please send your full question? I don't understand your question.
Sir, I've sent it, so I think you need to refresh your page.
Yeah, 1 second. There is a huge. One second. Shrilan, can you hear me? I'm unable to open due to connection. Look at this. Can you hear me here? Hello? Guys, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, now it is clear, I think. So I got the power. Yes. So Kavya Singhal has posted it out. So can you please rotate this man? Lines A, B, C, D are parallel and A, P is a point. भाई थोड़ा इसको थोड़ा हटा दो. Guys, last doubt.
Sorry, sir. Once again, I'll do it now.
A, B and Toshnika, I hope I cleared your doubt.
Yes, sir. But there's one more doubt, but that's fine if you cannot clear it.
Yeah. We'll clear it in next class, ma, why? Because
Yes, sir. No problem.
parallel and chalo.
Sir, I've posted it, sir. Like the last question.
Okay, no problem. Yes. Look at this beta here. The question he has given that the diagram is given like this, right? And one line is passing through this. Let us say that this is CD line, this is AB line, and one point P here, starting like this, joining it. Let us is a point P, and this is EF line. What do we have to prove here? We have to prove that angle ABP plus angle CDP is equal DPB something. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So look at this now. So basically you try to understand here.
Sir, B is on the intersection of P on the line. Like B and D are on the intersection of point P.
वही तो बनाया था भाई. So this is here. अच्छा. Okay, I draw on here. तो इधर ओहो एक मिनट इधर क्या है D, इधर B.
So,
ठीक है, चलो. Next, so what we have to prove? Here, EF is parallel line, right? EF is parallel to AB and CD. AB and CD, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
AB and CD, and passes through what? P. Okay. So now look at this here. Now can I write here angle? कुछ भी दे लो angle. This angle. Alternate angles are equal. This one. Can I say that this and this angle equal angle? So here BPF is equal to ABP. Alternate angles are equal. All right. So here again what kind of angle here? CD. This one CDP. This one and this one are equal, isn't it, beta? Yes or no? Alternate interior angles. So angle CDP is equal to angle DPF. Now can I say that? Now can I add these two? ABP angle. Look at this, ABP CDP. This one angle ABP CDP. If I just make a full one, ABP plus angle CDP is equal to angle BPF प्लस एंगल DPF. वही तो बनता है ना. फिगर देखो, फिगर देखो बेटा, आपको समझ में आ रहा है? मैंने बोल रहा हूँ. सो एंगल ABP, दिस वन एंगल, दिस ग्रीन कलर प्लस दिस ग्रीन कलर, दिस ग्रीन कलर M पूरा मिला के मुझे क्या मिल रहा है? सम ऑफ दिस वन. ठीक है. हाँ, वही भी सेम लाइक BPF एंड DPF. लुक एट दिस BPF. फ्रॉम वेयर कैन आई मेक इट आउट? look at BPF and DPF. तो सेम ही तो बन रहा है. look at the same distance. Why? Because alternate interior angles are equal. I can just do that. Now here this fully BPF can be written as what? BPF plus DPF. BPF and DPF can be written as, you understand? Kavya, what I'm saying is this black color fully equal to this blue color.
Yes, sir.
Look at what I'm saying here is this BPF, this full black color, ये पूरा, and DPF, ये जो बाण है ना ऐसा.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, this full equal to this black color full equal to, can I simply write the fully DPB or PBD full, isn't it? हाँ. So now look at this here. This full I can write just same as it is. I'm writing here as it is. लिख दो. मुझे क्लियरली पता चल रहा है कि DPB है ये. वो तो प्रूव करना था मुझे. देखो DPB. मुझे कोई नहीं यार, ये देखो ये एज इट इज मिल गया. बस इसको कन्वर्ट करना है. इससे मुझे क्या मिल रहा है? BPF प्लस DPF. BPF प्लस DPF. This fully giving me what? Angle DPB. Angle DPB. How? Look at this. From this one. BPF and DPF. This full black color gives me that this one. Simple this one. DPB. Isn't it? Yes or no? Alternate due to alternate interior angles, it is getting satisfied over there. So simple सा आंसर है. उसमें ज़्यादा क्या बोलता है सोचने का ये भी नहीं है. Simple one. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Very simple. Alternate interior angles. That is the only alternate interior angles concept. What is this here? Alternate interior concept. Here you only the concept here. Alternate interior angles concept. Alternate interior angles. Any doubts? Any doubts here? I think we have done with our time. So guys, I thought of conducting a quiz today, but no problem. So next class I'll be conducting the quiz. So happy for that we have cleared all the doubts. So I thought I won't be in a
Sir?
position to clear all the doubts. Why? Because we had a great huge network issue. Yes, tell me.
Sir, can you just upload the recording session of triangles one?
Definitely, beta. So triangles one lesson that in recording is missing out here actually. So what happened is like I thought of recording in a cloud actually, but it is not showing over there. So if I find it out, definitely I'll record it. So what happened is that recording is missing. Don't know where it has gone due to technical issue. I'm not sure what went wrong, but it had been it has went wrong actually. But I posted the notes if I'm not wrong, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I posted the note. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next class. No problem. All right.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, beta.